Watch, watch, watch. Well, it's not a plan. You are going now. Franchise is choosing one. 10-star general. Know it boy I come represent me. No, fully fake thing. Know it already. When we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a loud explosion boat here. Watch this. You know a Gaza favorite. Right? You know the people's champion. Actually. You know the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? And a lollipop thing. Here we are going right about now. A big havoc we see are going. But first, what we say, congratulations to UTG. A big thing the youth them drop a road. And I see a lot of fools that go around and I go like them want to slander the youth them name. You know, some clown thing. Some little fool what talk about the youth them runway and all kind of hypocrisy. You want to go, you know. You for go in if you don't have no evidence. I want to chat so you for lack of more while, you know. You sound stupid, you know. And fool, you know. Because no response to the man youth them. So I don't know one of them there and a chat say. You know what I mean? You know they are not running no more boat. Eh? We're not running no more boat. You see what I say? I run in the mud all over the fucking place. Shut up! I'm gonna watch big video and big song. Let me tell you something. Right now, you know, we don't give a damn, you know. Who want to work new rules show, you know. For them business that man. Because anybody where you see, them are run and not get. Remember my body that show off himself, you know. And I post up man picture and I talk about who, you know, can cock up the stadium, you know. I don't know, you know. If I two popcorn, you know, never call I don't know. Yet, upon him unruly face, I don't know what go on, but one thing me sure about. I know a youth the name Alkaline did hot. Like when I'm hot in 2016. I don't know, couldn't step on the stage yet. A real thing me I couldn't know. I know me not deal with lollipop thing. And him did hot. Like 2016. You think him could have stepped on the stage, eh? So it's a using thing and go on. Forget back some hype in Jamaica. And we already see that. But you don't know people are going to come and say unity. But them not say unity when time them hot, you know. And them in a demands. This is what I deal with. You know we not deal with lollipop, you know. I know we not come talk unless the real thing we there and not talk about, because we not even go run from that. You see what I deal with and go like we want to chat, nothing else. I say if the man did act like 2016, him couldn't work on the show there. And a joke thing. It's a using thing and go on. We don't know Gaza nation. We don't care about that, you know. So when some man try to mix up that with Gaza business, a lollipop thing we not go on with. Right now the world boss come on road. Don't know the world boss have UTG and him Gaza pitney them. So we don't really too need nobody for come in for a film show, and I mean too much demand see if say I call somebody else. I have a joke thing. You see what I deal with? I'm gonna get a pack. We get a pack of red. Marlboro red. Watch. See it a Gaza nation and a joke thing. Show the government a fight against China, Jamaica. See it in a buckle. Buckle the thing them in, you know. And that the biggest government in Jamaica a fight against. You see what I deal with? And the man them have them in a buckle. I sell up there. Just like how the man them a go like them want to fight against the world boss. You see what I deal with? And talk all kind of shit down there. You see what I deal with? And watch big song and big video from UTG and a joke thing. Hi. Good. The General, the 10 star one, are representing a full effect. I want to know every time I eat and every time I represent, you know what time it is. You know what I mean? Mocha. Yeah. Watch. Watch. God's away. Ain't no other way.